Novo AI is a brand new software making waves in the AI space, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. This AI tool has just been released, and if you're looking for a smart, user-friendly solution to boost your business or workflow, you'll want to stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Novo AI offers and whether it's worth adding to your toolkit. First off, let me mention, if you're curious about trying Novo AI for yourself, you can get started completely free from the first link in the description below. Trust me, this is a tool you'll want to test out, especially with its recent release shaking things up. One of the first things you'll notice with Novo AI is its ease of use. It's designed to be intuitive, which is a massive advantage for people who aren't necessarily tech experts. You don't need to be an AI guru to get started with it. This makes it a solid choice for entrepreneurs, marketers, and even small businesses who want to leverage AI without diving too deep into complex configurations. Next, let's talk about what sets Novo AI apart from the crowd. The software integrates various features into one platform, meaning you don't have to jump between different tools. From content creation and automation to predictive analytics, Novo AI has a lot packed into its core offering. Whether you're writing better copy or optimizing workflows, it brings everything together seamlessly. Another big benefit is its powerful automation. With Novo AI, you can automate a lot of your business processes, saving time and cutting down on repetitive tasks. Imagine having an AI assistant that handles everything from customer service inquiries to social media posts. This tool can handle it. It's all about increasing efficiency and freeing up your time for higher value activities. One thing I really like about Novo AI is its scalability. It doesn't matter if you're running a solo project or a growing team, this tool adapts to your needs. As your business expands, so too does its ability to automate and analyze larger datasets, making it a great long-term investment. If you're a digital marketer, Novo AI also has some advanced features tailored to your needs. It helps you better understand customer behaviors with its predictive analysis, which is key for optimizing ad campaigns. The ability to predict trends and outcomes before they happen is a huge asset in today's competitive landscape. Now, let's talk about pricing. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Novo AI for free, but once you move past the trial, it's still reasonably priced. Given the range of features it offers, it's a fantastic value compared to other software options on the market. And honestly, with how much it can streamline tasks, it could pay for itself in no time. Finally, if you're looking for AI that constantly evolves, Novo AI doesn't disappoint. The team behind it is continuously working to improve the software, and they've already rolled out several updates since launch. This shows that they're dedicated to staying ahead of the curve and ensuring you get the best experience possible. So, to wrap things up, Novo AI is an incredibly powerful tool that offers an easy-to-use interface, automation, and scalability for businesses of all sizes. If you're serious about improving efficiency and making smarter decisions with AI, this tool could be a game changer. And don't forget, you can try it for free by clicking the first link in the description. If you're still unsure about Novo AI, I've also listed some of my top recommended AI tools in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software options, these are the ones I've found most useful and effective, and you can try them for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.